Think breakfast can't be satisfying without eggs. Think again. Delicious breakfast without eggs can still be filling, flavorful, and energizing. More people are choosing a vegan breakfast or dairy-free breakfast because of allergies, health reasons, or a shift toward a plant-based breakfast lifestyle. A vegan dairy-free breakfast is full of nutrients and perfect as egg-free recipes that are lighter and easier to digest. From egg allergy breakfast ideas to healthy vegan breakfast options, there's something for everyone. You'll discover a variety of meals: vegan smoothie recipes, dairy-free oatmeal, tofu scramble vegan, plus quick vegan breakfast ideas for busy mornings and savory, vegan breakfast ideas for comfort. Even grab-and-go options like energy balls vegan and granola bars vegan. Get ready to explore the best vegan breakfast recipes without eggs and no dairy breakfast options that will keep you energized, satisfied, and excited for mornings again. There are many reasons people look for breakfast without eggs, from allergies and cholesterol concerns to embracing a vegan breakfast or fully dairy-free breakfast lifestyle. For some, an egg allergy breakfast idea is a must for health, while others enjoy eggless breakfast options as part of a balanced plant-based breakfast routine. The good news is that a vegan dairy-free breakfast can be just as satisfying as traditional meals. By using egg-free recipes, you can enjoy more variety and lighter dishes. Cooking without eggs allows you to explore new flavors, whether it's savory vegan breakfast ideas like tofu scramble or healthy vegan breakfast bowls packed with fruits and grains. Choosing a breakfast without milk or eggs isn't about limitation, it's about creativity. These vegan breakfast recipes without eggs open the door to meals that are cruelty-free, nutrient-rich, and energizing. One of the easiest ways to enjoy a vegan breakfast without eggs is by starting your day with a smoothie. These vegan smoothie recipes are quick, refreshing, and full of nutrients. A fruit and nut butter protein smoothie is a great choice. Blend banana, almond butter, and oat milk for a creamy, dairy-free breakfast option. For a detox, try a green smoothie with spinach, chia seeds, and apple. It's a healthy vegan breakfast that's light but energizing. If you want extra fuel, go for a high-protein vegan breakfast shake. Use pea protein or hemp protein, blended with frozen berries and plant milk. These smoothies are perfect for busy mornings. Whether it's a quick vegan breakfast idea or part of your vegan breakfast bowl, you'll get flavor, fiber, and energy in every sip. If you're looking for a healthy vegan breakfast that's ready when you wake up, overnight oats and chia seed pudding vegan style are perfect choices. Start simple. Make creamy overnight oats with banana and cinnamon using almond milk. This is a comforting dairy-free oatmeal option. For something lighter, prepare a chia pudding with almond milk and berries. It's one of the best breakfast without eggs options, packed with omega-3s. If you want something warm, try quinoa porridge with coconut milk and nuts. This quinoa porridge vegan recipe is rich, filling, and gluten-free. With vegan oatmeal recipes, you can easily customize flavors. Whether you love cinnamon, cocoa, or tropical fruits, there's a bowl for every craving. Not all vegan breakfast ideas need to be sweet. There are plenty of savory, vegan breakfast ideas that are hearty and satisfying. The classic choice is avocado toast vegan style. Add hummus, cherry tomatoes, or sprouts for extra flavor and protein. Another option is a tofu scramble vegan recipe. With turmeric, onions, and bell peppers, it tastes just like scrambled eggs but totally plant-based. For something more filling, try a vegan breakfast burrito stuffed with beans, rice, salsa, and fresh veggies. It's a high-protein plant-based breakfast on the go. Savory bowls are also great. Combine quinoa, roasted veggies, and tahini sauce for a balanced plant-based breakfast that keeps you full for hours. Sometimes mornings are so busy that we need quick vegan breakfast ideas. That's where grab-and-go options shine. One easy choice is granola bars vegan style, made with oats, nuts, and dried fruit. They're portable and nutritious. Another favorite is energy balls vegan-friendly, using oats, dates, and nut butter. Perfect for a quick energy boost. If you love baked goods, try vegan muffins no eggs. Flaxseed or chia seeds make the perfect egg substitute. Even a simple breakfast without eggs can be exciting when you keep a stash of these eggless breakfast options ready for busy mornings. A common challenge with vegan breakfast ideas is making them filling enough. The secret lies in balance. Start by adding healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and seeds. They make your plant-based breakfast satisfying and nutrient-rich. Don't forget high-protein vegan breakfast foods such as tofu, tempeh, or legumes. Protein helps keep you full longer. For energy and balance, include fiber-rich carbs like oats, quinoa, or sweet potatoes. They pair perfectly with dairy-free breakfast recipes. When you mix protein-rich, no-carb snacks with carbs and fiber, your vegan dairy-free breakfast will keep you fueled all morning. As you can see, enjoying a breakfast without eggs doesn't mean missing out. In fact, it opens doors to so many creative and tasty options. From chia seed pudding vegan style, to tofu scramble vegan, and even overnight oats no dairy, the possibilities are endless. A vegan dairy-free breakfast can be light yet filling, perfect for anyone looking for healthy and cruelty-free choices. Remember to play with flavors, textures, and eggless breakfast options to keep your mornings exciting. So here's my challenge for you. Try one of these easy vegan breakfast recipes this week and see how good your mornings can feel.